Welcome to another episode of Omnisend's Daily Tip Series, where in roughly 3 minutes or less each day, I'll give you actionable tips and ways to improve your email and SMS marketing program and make you better marketers. Yesterday, I talked about why adding SMS is important for the health of your opt-in marketing program. Today, let's talk about other types and styles of forms. A simple email capture pop-up form is the most common form, but it's not the only kind that e-commerce brands can and should use. Let's briefly talk about some of the others to consider. First is a spin the wheel form. A spin the wheel form is a gamified form where a would-be subscriber enters the email address, and when clicking submit, the game wheel spins, ultimately stopping on a specific discount. This discount can then be used for a new subscriber to make a purchase. Second is an exit intent form. This is a pop-up that appears when a web visitor makes a cursor movement indicative of them leaving your website. E-commerce brands can reveal a form that makes a last-ditch effort to capture the email address before the visitor leaves. Now, these can be very useful, but be sure to adjust the terminology for the subscriber. After all, ask them to subscribe in order to receive information on upcoming sales, because they are about to leave. Now, let's talk about styling for a bit. When it comes to designing your pop-up form, be sure to incorporate brand assets like color, visuals, and your logo. To take it a step further, consider creating holiday-specific designs like those around Valentine's and St. Patrick's Day. As a bonus, Omnisend provides some already created themed pop-up forms for holidays such as these, so be sure to check them out. And there you have it. Feel free to experiment with multiple styles and types of forms to see what works best for you. And like all things, a combination of tactics often work the best. Now be sure to join me tomorrow where I'll discuss making sure your forms are conversion ready. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of our marketing tip series. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and until next time, happy marketing.